of our tongue and our jaw. So dropping into a very soft, subtle breath. Most important thing on the biomechanical level with the breath, after ensuring that we're nose breathing and not mouth breathing, is to keep the neck and shoulders passive and not use the neck and shoulders and the jaw to breathe. Use the diaphragm and the abdominals to power the diaphragm and support its action, so that all this stays very relaxed and passive. And of course, when we're stressed, that's not usually what's happening. So, and everybody's just a little stressed these days. So a reminder about that, you know, so you can just start warming up your neck and shoulders with a little undulation and reminding this area to stay chill as you drop into your breathing, and bring awareness to your tongue. Put your little lozenge at the top of the roof of the mouth. Give yourself, swirl it around. And feel it's just this very kind of nice little jaw undulation when you kind of are sucking on that imaginary lozenge. And it helps to keep the jaw free. We don't realize how much, many of us don't, some do, realize how much tension we hold in our jaw and how directly that's related to our nervous system and a stress response. So bringing the breath down nice and low and slow, finding a nice slow cadence. Little wave of breath in, little wave of breath out, very easeful. And just feeling the connection, like noticing the placement of the head, the chin, the neck, the throat. Are you aware of how you are placing those structures in relationship to one another? Or are you just sort of in your automatic hangout position? Right? So as we play with the tongue and start to work more with it, again, connecting the tongue is a huge muscle, and it has deep connections all the way down through the throat and into the muscles in the chest. So observing that. So let's do our tongue wash across the teeth. So the lips are closed, right over on one side. Wash it all the way across the upper palate and then all the way down across the teeth on the lower, all the way to the very, very edges, and go it's circular in one direction like 3-4 times, and then circular in the other direction 3-4 times. Noticing how it feels to do that today versus yesterday. Lips sealed the whole time, and observing if there's tender spots that you are aware of, or just fatigue, difficulty with the movement, particularly one direction versus another, being aware of that.